Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Mercmind Cordless electric cutter. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. Here we have the manual. Let's take a quick look at it. Now I'm not going to cover everything in here. You'll want to read through it on your own. So this talks about the different parts. It has a blade, blade guard, power button, safety lock, and Type-C charging. This shows the key features. It has USB charging, approximately 60 to 90 minutes charging time, and up to 40 minutes runtime. Has an adjustable speed with display, built-in LED light, has a rotary blade system. It can cut through cardboard and other materials up to 1/4 inch thick. So you press the button on the side and then hold the rectangular button to turn it on. Then you can release the side button. Has battery indicator and speed adjustment. The blade can be removed to replace it. So that looks pretty straightforward. Let's pull this out. So here it is, and it comes with a USB-A to USB-C charge cable. So let's try that real quick. So you can plug this into a phone charger, and that plugs in the handle part. So I have that plugged in, and it's charging at 0.22 amps. Now the charge rate can vary depending on the state of charge of the cutter. And if we look here, it says 81% on the charge. So there's a display here. Pull the plastic off. So this is made of hard plastic here. We have the display. Looks like some little vents here. There's the rotary cutter. This is the other end. You put the item you want to cut into here. To operate this, I'll use my thumb and press this button on the side, and then I'll pull on this trigger. Now if I pull this in on its own, it won't start. If I press this in first with my thumb, then it will turn on. You can see we have a little bit of a light there. So now that it's activated, we can see a 1 here. I can press the button, and we can have 2, 3, and 4. So it has 4 speed modes. So let's run through these. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the blade here has 10 sides on it. So let's try cutting something with this. I think the thing I'll mostly use it on is cardboard. I often have to cut up cardboard to make it fit in my bin. So I have a box here. Let's try cutting it. Let's try cutting it kind of on the corner. Okay, that was kind of a serrated cut. So let's cut a side off now. Let's cut the other corner. Let me turn the speed up. Now at the end of this box I can't get all the way through, but this is cut enough that I can just lift it up pretty easily. Now I'll cut this off. So here I have a piece of cardboard. Let me try just cutting strips out of this. Now before that was on a corner and it did actually have perforations on it that might have made it easier. So we'll just cut this regular cardboard now. Now I can put this right on the surface if I want to. I probably will have it off the surface just a little bit, but... So that cut very nicely. Now we're cutting across the corrugations. Let's cut in line with the corrugations. Now I'll try diagonal. Now I'll try and cut a curve. Say you're wanting to do crafts and you want to cut a curve. Let's see if this will do that. I was able to cut a little bit of a curve. This doesn't seem super ideal for cutting curves, and that makes sense because this guide is going to make it go straight. Now I might be able to cut this as a curve. Let's see. So I can cut a curve when it's towards an edge, but not straight through the middle very easily. Now if you did need to use this for making cuts, you could cut a bunch of straight cuts and then smooth it out towards the end. But I would look at this as mostly being something that can cut straight. Let's try another material. Here I have some leather. It's about 1/4 inch thick. Let's try and cut it. That cut very easily. Now it's not making super precise cuts. Let's see if I can kind of cut this little nub off here. I can kind of trim it down, but if I want to do just kind of bulk cuts, it works fine for that. So that's the Mercmind Cordless Electric Cutter. I really like how this fits in the hand. It's easy to hold. It's very easy to use. You can change your speed setting up here, and it has an interlock here and a trigger. If you have a lot of cardboard or fabric to cut up, I think a tool like this can really be helpful, especially if you have trouble using scissors. This could also be used for fabric, leather, and other similar types of things. I imagine this could cut through some different plastics too. So this has a 2000 milliamp hour battery, so you can get a nice long runtime out of it, and it charges with USB Type-C, so you can charge it with standard phone charger. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.